sa official statement ng ating Bangsamoro government. Sa statement na po na yan guys, against po sila sa ating former President Duterte. Hello guys! Welcome back again sa ating channel. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, RJ Angeles RN. So ngayon may babasahin lang po tayo ng mga official statement po ng ating Secretary of Presidential Advisor at ang ating official statement din po ng ating Bangsamoro government official statement din po. So bago po yan guys, magandang araw po sa lahat. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, sa lahat ng viewers po natin at sa buong mundo na ating mga kababayan. Magandang araw po sa lahat. So ito na nga po guys ang hinihintay natin. Alright, so ito po ang ating call for unity of Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. So, siya po ang ating Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity. So, ayan po. Makikita nyo po guys sa mga statement na to, mga official statement nito, sa FB page po ng ating Presidential Communication Office. So, lagi po kayong updated doon, i-like nyo po ang kanilang page ng ating Presidential Communication Office. So, para makita nyo po mga latest update ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, mga latest official statement, nandoon po lahat. So, ngayon, pabasa lang natin sa ating iPad ang ating call for unity ng ating Secretary. Alright? So, pakinggan na natin. I-play ko lang guys. Speak.
Call for unity of SEC. Carlito G. Galvez Jr., Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation and Unity, February 2nd, 2024. When we, as Filipinos, are united, there is peace, development and prosperity. But when we, as a people, are divided, there is instability, underdevelopment and disorder. Let us therefore turn away from any call or movement that aims to destabilize our beloved nation, especially to separate Mindanao from the rest of the country. For one, this call for separation is anathema to the letter and spirit of the Philippine Constitution, which is the bulwark of our nation's identity as a people. Second, it goes against the principles of a country which is already benefiting and enjoying from the dividends of the comprehensive peace process that has put an end to decades of armed conflict in Mindanao.
So, yun po guys, ang hatiin lang natin ang statement, napakahaba na po. So, nagdumere-dire-diretso ang pagbasa ng ating iPad. So, in Tagalog, para maintindihan natin sa mga layman's term natin, okay? So, kapag tayo bilang mga Pilipino, nagkaisa, mayroong kapayapaan, kaunlaran, at kasaganaan, ngunit kapag tayo bilang isang bayan, ay nagkawatak-watak, mayroong kawalang kasiguraduhan, kakulangan sa pag-unlad, at kaguluhan. Kaya iwasan nating anumang panawagan or kilusan na layunin pabagsakin ang ating minamahal na bansa, lalo na ang paghihiwalay ng Mindanao mula sa iba pang bahagi ng bansa. So, dapat guys, be vigilant tayo, no? Dapat may matanglawin tayo. Mapagmatsyag, yun. So, yun lang naman po guys. So, pag any na movement, okay, para sirain, okay, para pabagsakin ang ating minamahal na bansa, or lalong-lalo na, okay, na sinasabi ko po ngayon dito, na tinranslate ko lang po, na paghihiwalay ng Mindanao mula sa iba pang bahagi ng bansa. So, grabe ito. So, wag kayo din po mag-People's Initiative. Hindi pa nga po tayo naka-move on sa unang People's Initiative. So, People's Initiative din po ito pag ginawa din po nila. So, next, pabasa natin sa ating iPad. Let's go!
For one, this call for separation is anathema to the letter and spirit of the Philippine Constitution, which is the bulwark of our nation's identity as a people. Second, it goes against the principles of a country which is already benefiting and enjoying from the dividends of the comprehensive peace process that has put an end to decades of armed conflict in Mindanao. As Filipinos, let us therefore continue supporting the Marcos administration's peace, reconciliation and unity agenda. The dividends of peace are upon us and are now being felt by everyone.
Tuloy-tuloy na yan.
The members of these former revolutionary groups are now playing an active part in nation building. They are helping the national government promote genuine peace and sustainable development in the Bangsamoro through inclusive, people-centered moral governance. Mindanao has already shed its image as a land of volatility, violence and armed struggle. It has now become a symbol of hope, mutual understanding and solidarity, and most of all, a shining example that good things come to those who choose the path of peace. We cannot afford to go back to square one. We must learn our lessons from the past and apply these to all aspects of our life as peace-loving citizens. Let us always choose peace and remain united, as it is the only way to move forward as one people and one nation.
Po ang ating official statement ng ating call for unity of Secretary Carlito G. Galvez Jr., Presidential Advisor on Peace. So, reconciliation and unity. So, yan po guys, ang the member of these former revolutionary groups are now playing an active part in nation building. They are helping the nation government promote genuine peace and sustainable development in the Bangsamoro through inclusive, people-centered moral governance. Mindanao has already become a symbol of hope, mutual understanding, solidarity, and the most of all, shining example that good things come from these who can part of peace. So we cannot afford to go back at square one. We learn our lessons from the past and apply this to all aspects of our life as peace-loving citizens. Yan po guys. So yan lang naman po. Basta pag may mga alsa-alsa dyan, may movement dyan. So huwag nyo napansinin. Yan. So ngayon guys, dito naman po tayo sa official statement po ng Bangsamoro. Okay? So ayan. Pabasa lang natin.
Official statement.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
As Chief Minister of the Bangsamoro government, I stand firmly on adhering to the faithful implementation of the provisions of the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro, CAB towards the right to self-determination. Underlying the CAB is the recognition of the justness and legitimacy of the cause of the Bangsamoro people and the aspiration to chart our political future through a democratic process that will secure our identity and posterity and allow for meaningful self-governance. Although more has yet to be done, parties to the CAB have made great strides in the implementation of its components that are ultimately beneficial to the Bangsamoro people. We remain grateful for, and acknowledge, the significant contributions made by past and present presidents of the Philippines in arriving at the peaceful settlement of the Bangsamoro question. We, therefore, urge everyone to help protect the gains of the peace processes. Let us continue to support the current administration and allow peace and civility to reign over the affairs of our land. Mariming Salamat po. Wabillahi Tawfiq wal Hidayah. Han Ahad and Arahim Chief Minister.
Yun. So, nakakatuwa ang ating official statement po ng Bangsamoro government. So, pinakita po nila ang pagsuporta sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos po. So, dito po sa pinakahuli, we therefore urge everyone to help protect and gains of the peace process. Let us continue to support the current administrations and allow peace and civility to reign over the affairs of our land. So, ayan po guys. So, in Tagalog, kaya naman, hinihilok namin ang lahat na tumulong sa pagprotekta sa mga tagumpay na mga prosesong pangkapayapaan. Patuloy nating suportahan ang kasalukuyang administrasyon at hayaan maghari ang kapayapaan at kagandahang asal sa mga usapin ng ating lupain. So, from official statement ng ating secretary. So, call for unity of Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr., Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity. At doon din po sa official statement ng ating Bangsamoro government. So, ayan, nakakatuwa talaga na patuloy ang suporta sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. At syempre, doon po sila, dahil may official statement, doon po sila pumanig, okay, sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at against po sila doon na paghiwalayin ang Mindanao sa ating bansa. So in short, sa statement na po na yan guys, against po sila sa ating former President Duterte na paghiwalayin ang Mindanao sa Pilipinas. So against po, okay, sa official statement Bangsamoro government. Masaya po tayo guys no kahit nasa Mindanao. Ako din po taga Mindanao, pero suportado ko po ang Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. So against din po ako doon sa former President Duterte na paghiwalayin ang Mindanao sa ating bansa. So hindi na po yung Pilipinas ang tawag. Di ba po? So ayan, magulo kasi guys pag ganyan no. So andyan na yung Pilipinas na yan So let it be. Let it be. Ayan. Kayo po, ano pong masasabi nyo? Comment down below po. So, kung bago ka lang po sa aking channel, please subscribe. So, i-like po natin ang video na to. At syempre, i-share na rin po natin. So, yan po. Suportado po talaga ang ating Bangsamoro government doon po sa Mindanao sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. So, matagal po nila na-workout yan na maging okay, may peace, process, yan. So, suportahan na lang po natin ang ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. So, kasi, magulo kasi pag kung ano-ano pa, di ba po? So, support na lang tayo kung yun naman po Di ba? Nung nanalo po ang ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, ang sabi po ng ating former President Duterte, anong sabi niya guys? Suportahan niya ang Marcos administration. So, yan lang naman po. Kaya, suportahan po natin kung sino yung nakaupo, kung sino yung nakaluklok. Sila po yung niloob or pinagkalooban po sila ng posisyon ng ating Panginoon. So, yan po. So, suportahan natin at syempre po, irerespeto po natin ang majority po na binoto ng taong bayan ng Pilipinas. So, ayan po guys. Maraming salamat po talaga. Thank you so much and keep safe everyone. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, RJ Angeles RN. God bless. Bye!